Hey y'all, it's Lacey Greniger with Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty, and welcome to 1911 Snug Harbor Drive in the Landing at Reynolds Lake Oconee. Y'all come on in and check it out. Welcome inside. So you'll notice this one-level home is a split plan. So we have the master on one side of the main living area and two other bedrooms, a bathroom and a half bathroom on the other side. And look at this great big open kitchen. This house has been renovated. There's beautiful countertops in here. These are granite. We've got a really pretty tile backsplash, tons of cabinet space. Right off the kitchen, I want you to notice this spacious dining area here where you can fit a large table, seat all of your family and friends on holidays. It's open to this living space here, which I love. Gorgeous stone fireplace with a really pretty beam. Let's go on over to the master suite. All right, here is the master suite, and we have a beautiful renovated bathroom over here behind you. Come check this out. Tiled shower, separate vanities, a soaking tub, separate water closet, and there are actually his and her closets on this master suite. His closet is in here, and her closet is right over this way. And I just love when this happens. The closet leads to the laundry room. How easy is that? We'll round out the tour of the inside of this house by checking out the additional two bedrooms. Now these are right off of the main living space, so perfect for kids or guests. They don't feel like they're missing any of the action. These two bedrooms are connected by a full bathroom here with some really fun tile and a beautiful updated vanity with quartz tops. Come check out this bedroom here. Right down this hallway is another half bathroom. So you basically have two bathrooms right here that these bedrooms can share. Now let's go check out this porch. We have access to the porch from this bedroom and from the living room. Now y'all know I love a good covered porch, and can't you imagine just spending all of your time out here? We've got a swing, lots of little areas to sit, and right beyond the porch down these stairs is a great little fire pit. Let me talk about location here. So right here from this back porch, we have views of the Landing Golf Course. We're close to everything Lake Oconee has to offer because we're here in the Landing. We're on a corner lot here. We have plenty of space to play and create lifelong memories. Thank you so much for joining me for today's tour of 1911 Snug Harbor Drive. For more information on this listing, visit my website, lifesgoodonlakeoconee.com.